Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Apple Pay verification error very easily. So before we get started, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so I'm on the official Apple discussion page. So this guy cannot verify their Apple Cash ID. So this is an official answer from their customer support. So first of all, you just have to go to your card info. So on your iPhone, just open the wallet app, tap your Apple Cash card, tap the more button, then tap card details on the iPhone. So if you are on an iPad, just open the settings app, tap wallet and Apple Pay, then tap your Apple Cash card. If you are on an Apple Watch, just open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, tap wallet and Apple Pay, then tap your Apple Cash card. Now you just have to tap on verify identity. After you have done all that, then follow the on-screen steps when capturing your driver license or state ID card. Use these steps. Make sure you place your card on a dark background. Capture all four corners of your card, otherwise it won't get accepted. Make sure that there's nothing between your device's camera and the card that would obscure it. The first thing you might need to verify is that your full name, your social security number, your date of birth, your home address, and answers to questions regarding your personal history. And also, you need an image of your valid driver license or state ID card. To use all the features of your application, you must verify your identity. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.